Let's learn My Maria. 32 counts, 4 walls, no tags, no restarts, and it's a very Latin cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. Okay, so we're going to start with the cha-cha-cha. And since it's a Latin song, they're often started with the left, often start on the left foot. So here we go on our left foot with a cha-cha-cha or a rock, recover, cha-cha-cha, rock back, recover, cha-cha-cha. So left first, rock forward, or a mambo, whatever. I like to call it cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. Go back, go forward, left, go back right, cha-cha-cha. Good. Okay, so the counts are like this. We just do 1 forward and 1 back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Woohoo! Okay, for us, the first 8. One more time. Rock forward and cha-cha-cha. Rock back, cha-cha-cha. Okay, now we're going to do second 8. We're going to pivot on our left and half over our right shoulder and pick up our right foot and do a hitch or a hook, whatever you want to call it. So it's left, turn, put all your weight on your left so you can hitch and hook with your right. Then we do it again. Step, hook or hitch, whatever you want to call it. Sorry, I have to get around more. Step, hook or hitch, cha-cha-cha. So 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Okay, and actually the counts go like this. So we just did cha-cha-cha from the top. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, back, cha-cha-cha. 1, hitch, cha-cha-cha. 1, hitch, cha-cha-cha. Okay, with counts 5, 6, 7, 8 from the top. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Third 8. To the side, left foot leads. We do a step, 1, hold 2, and lots of times there people clap. 1, 2, clap on 2. It just depends on the club you're at and whether you like to clap or not. It's optional. So we do 1, 2, and 3, 4. So step, hold, together step, touch. So left, hold, touch left, touch right. 1, hold 2, and 3, 4. It's like a little skip in the middle. So 1, hold 2, and 3, 4. Awesome. So the third 8 is the 1, hold 2, and 3, 4. Now we're going to turn over our right shoulder. We're going to start with a step behind and then a triple step towards over a quarter over our right shoulder towards the 3 o'clock wall. So let me put that together. So the third 8 is step, hold, and step, touch, step, behind, triple step to that wall. Awesome. Let's put those first 3 together. From the top with words and then with words. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Right back. Cha-cha-cha. Left hook. Cha-cha-cha. Left hook. Cha-cha-cha to the side. And touch, step, behind, triple step. Okay, 3 8s. Last one. We're heading towards our 3 o'clock wall. This is our new wall. So we're going to do a full turn over our right shoulder to end up on that wall. And the full turn, we just did our cha-cha-cha, is a step, step, keep going, triple step. So you get that many steps. So we just did our step behind, triple step, behind, triple step. Oh, left, okay. So we just did our step behind, triple step. Your left foot's gonna turn, right foot turn, left foot triple step, all the way around. So it's a quarter, quarter and a half. Yay, it's a quarter, quarter and a half. So that's our last 8 is, we just did our triple step, left foot's free. Quarter, quarter, half with the triple step, rock back, recover, and a triple step. Then we start again. It really does flow. It doesn't feel like it right now, but it flows so nicely. And once it's in your muscle memory, it's just fun, 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 fun. So let's do our last 2 8s. So we just did our, after our hitches or hooks, we do this step, hold and step, touch, step behind, triple step, quarter, quarter, half, rock back, and a triple step. And the left foot's free again, because it's a left footed dance. All right, with words and then with counts from the top. With the words first. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha, cha, cha. Rock and cha, cha, cha. Step, half pivot, cha, cha, cha. Step, half pivot, hook, cha, cha, cha. To the side and side, touch. Step behind, triple step. Quarter, quarter, triple step. Rock back and a triple step. Awesome. Okay, with counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Wow, fun, huh? It's really a Latin fun cha-cha-cha. So let's do this wall so we can get it in your muscle memory. Starting with our left foot and a mambo or a rock or a full cha-cha-cha, whatever works in your brain. Okay, with words. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock and cha-cha-cha. Rock and cha-cha-cha. Left hook, cha-cha-cha. Left hitch, cha-cha-cha. Step, hold, and step, touch. Step behind new wall, full turn. Quarter, quarter, half. Rock back and cha-cha-cha. Awesome. Okay, with counts. From the top on our new wall, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's it. Good job. Good job. My Maria. 32 counts, 4 walls, no tags, no restarts. Let it flow. It's fun. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.